Every time you jump in your vehicle and turn the key, you count on your charging system to keep your car powered. If your system is experiencing problems, you'll likely see the check charging system or battery light come on, something you don't want to see, especially when you're running late for work. What is the charging system? Made up of the alternator, battery, wiring, and electronic control unit, your vehicle's charging system keeps your battery charged. It also delivers the energy necessary to run the lights, radio, and other electrical components while the engine is running. What's happening when the battery or check charging system light comes on? Whenever this light goes on, it means that the vehicle is running solely on battery power. If the problem continues and your charging system fails, the battery won't be able to recharge and it will soon run down, leaving you with a dead battery. Nothing can ruin a day like a dead battery, so if this light comes on, it's time to take your vehicle to your trusted mechanic to have them find the source of the problem. Please note that depending upon your vehicle, you might have a battery light or check charging system light. Check your owner's manual to learn what warning lights your car has. What can cause your battery or check charging system light to come on? Unfortunately, there isn't one answer as to why the battery or check charging system light comes on. The good news is that your mechanic has the know-how to get to the bottom of the issue. The following are some parts that can cause the battery or check charging system warning light to come on. Alternator issues. Many times, the alternator is the root of the problem when your check charging system or battery light comes on. Have your mechanic test the voltage coming from your alternator. If the voltage is low, your mechanic will likely replace your weak alternator with a new one. Battery problems. Your battery light could be coming on because your battery is low and needs replacing. Take your vehicle to your mechanic and have them test your battery strength. Drive belt troubles. A failed drive belt prohibits the alternator from doing its job and can cause the warning light to come on. Have your mechanic check the condition of your vehicle's drive belt. It could be faulty and need replacing. Corroded wires and connections. Have your mechanic clean all of the connections and make sure the battery clamps are clean and tight. Additionally, have them inspect all internal alternator wirings and connections, and also have them check all of the fusible links and look for any burned links. If they are burned, get them repaired. Faulty computer system. If your vehicle isn't having alternator or battery issues, it could be a computer issue. Have your mechanic test your vehicle's computer system after all other issues have been tested and cleared. Other signs of battery issues. The battery charge warning light is not the only indicator of battery issues. Car batteries typically last between 3 and 5 years, but can last up to 10 in optimal conditions. When your battery needs replacing, you may notice one or more of the following signs. Unpleasant odors. If you notice an odd smell coming from the battery, this could mean it is damaged or there is a leak present. Jump starts. If your engine struggles to start and you regularly need to jump start your car, this is a clear sign that the battery is unable to hold a charge. Electrical malfunctions. If you notice electrical components such as the windows, lights, and radio malfunctioning, this is symptomatic of a failing battery. Dim headlights. If your headlights are dimmer than they should be, this may indicate that your battery is deteriorating. Is it safe to drive with the battery check light on? Driving with your battery check charging system light illuminated could leave you stranded. If your vehicle has a failing battery, faulty alternator, or bad wiring, it could stop working at any time. Make an appointment with your mechanic before your car puts you on the side of the road. What should you do if your battery charge warning light comes on when you are driving? If the battery charge warning light appears when you're driving, pull over when it is safe to do so and investigate the issue. Stop in a safe location and put on a pair of protective gloves before you investigate the battery. Check the battery for corrosion and make sure all connections are secure. Try restarting the engine and see whether the light persists. If you're still seeing the warning light, carefully drive to the nearest garage if you're able to do so. If you're unable to start your car or it is unsafe to drive, call your breakdown recovery provider to tow your car to the nearest garage. Steps to prevent battery issues. Keep up with your car's servicing and maintenance schedule. Inspect your battery on a regular basis. Keep the terminals clean and make sure all connections are secure. Consider using a battery maintainer or a trickle charger. These devices supply a small amount of electricity to your battery when it is unused for an extended period. They may also automatically shut off your battery once it is fully charged to prevent overcharging.